Catalytic converters are like the bouncers at a club, standing guard in your car's exhaust system, making sure only the cleanest emissions escape. Autorandz takes this to another level, claiming a 30% increase in pollutant reduction compared to most factory systems, which is a bold statement. The biggest pain point people have with catalytic converters is that they seem to wear out just when you need them least, right as your car hits those milestone miles. We've all felt the sting. Check engine light, emissions test failure, wallet gets lighter. Most of us don't even think about our catalytic converters until a mechanic points out it's the source of our problems. That, or we wake up one morning to find it sawed off by thieves and resold for scrap. Security and longevity are key pain points, for sure. With Autorandz, they tout use of rare earth metals in higher concentrations, which supposedly prolongs lifespan by up to 40%. I haven't found another manufacturer advertising that specifically, and it feeds right into the dream of set it and forget it. You're probably wondering just how hard it is to install one of these things yourself. If you can change your oil or swap out brake pads, Autorandz actually makes it pretty straightforward. Just 3 bolts, a gasket, and maybe a helping hand for the stubborn ones. The step most people miss? Double check for proper airflow after install. Once it's on, fire up your engine and listen carefully. A weird rattle or faint whistling tells you something's not tightened down or there's an exhaust leak, which can tank performance right away. Pro tip I've picked up: always use anti-seize lubricant on the bolts. Portland winters, for example, make bolts rust and fusing together far too fast. This one tiny step has saved me 3 hours and several curses. Some owners are skeptical of aftermarket upgrades for emission controls, but the numbers here do more than look pretty. Most drivers report a 7 to 10% boost in fuel efficiency with Autorandz, a detail nobody really expects from an emissions piece. The environmental numbers aren't just marketing fluff either. Swap to Autorandz, and across 100,000 miles, you're looking at nearly half a ton less CO2 output. That's a figure that actually feels tangible, like you've actually made a dent. People worry about warranty headaches. Autorandz steps in with a 5-year, 50,000-mile warranty, which is, by almost anyone's math, double what most factory converters hand you. Less paperwork, fewer surprise expenses, more peace of mind. Let's talk theft for a second, because it's real. I've had neighbors in Portland lose converters in under 5 minutes. Autorandz offers a lock shield kit that claims to make your car a 90% less likely target. Thieves move on to easier pickings. Is it pricey? It's not cheap. But then you're betting on never having to deal with failed emissions again, or replacing the thing twice. You're paying up front for the kind of relief that doesn't show up until you're not standing on the side of the road. Fumes in your face.